Hi everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the new feature in Opera Job Management, which allows us to keep track of the due date of our projects. Each job has a new field now in which we can set the estimated due date. Once set, we can order our jobs by priority in descending order with the most urgent on top. As you can see, each job is now assigned to a color which displays the current status. When the icon is red, the job is late according to the estimated delivery. Yellow light must be considered as a warning that indicates we are almost out of time. Green light, instead, means that our schedule is on time. You can also customize how many days of delay you wish to keep before a job can turn from green light to yellow. Let's put 15 days instead of 7. As you can see in this example now, one of our job that was previously considered as on time has now turned to yellow warning status. Thank you for your time.